Let's go to Weather Channel meteorologist Mike Seidel, also part of our team there. Mike, this was a long windup. A 26-minute siren blast will get your attention. The problem is so many structures are no match for an F-4.
That's true, and you know, it's been a long time coming. We've had a very quiet spring. This is peak of tornado season, Brian, but so far since March 1st, we've only had 22% of the average number of tornadoes. That did change late yesterday right here in North Texas. Take a look at the ingredients. Upper level wind support, cold air loft over this warm, humid air at the surface. That is the perfect setup for instability. Also, notice the wind direction aloft, west-northwest. Now we go down to the surface, and the winds there are blowing in from the southeast, bringing in sticky, warm, tropical air from the Gulf. This change in wind direction from the surface to the higher levels is what we call wind shear. That was extreme yesterday and led to the spinning motion and the tornadoes. And last night, most of that energy was concentrated in this one supercell that produced the first EF-4 in Texas since 1994. There will be some severe weather tonight and Friday, but we think the bigger show, the higher risk of tornadoes, will be Saturday. Take a look at red on the forecast map from South Dakota to North Texas, and then we shifted east on Sunday to include Oklahoma City and Des Moines. And Brian, this, as today, Iowa set a state record for the longest stretch without a tornado, 356 days and counting. We hope it continues, but more than likely we'll have twisters to cover on the Weather Channel all weekend, and that concern will continue east toward Chicago by early next week. Brian?
Mike Seidel, part of our team, who may have a busy couple of days ahead. Mike, thanks. It's been